Deploying robotics into your business is just the first step. To ensure long-term success, your robots need to communicate effectively with your systems and network. At Robot Center, we provide Robotics Connectivity Assessment to ensure your robots are seamlessly integrated into your network for reliable and efficient operations. A Robotics Connectivity Assessment evaluates your current connectivity infrastructure, communication protocols, and system integrations that enable robots to operate smoothly. We analyze how your robots communicate with control systems, devices, and your team to ensure everything functions seamlessly together. Without the right connectivity, robotic systems can underperform. Poor connectivity can lead to operational inefficiencies, missed tasks, delays, and disrupted workflows. It can also cause data silos, where the data robots generate isn't shared across your systems, limiting your ability to leverage valuable insights. Inadequate connectivity can result in downtime, and expanding your robotic systems across multiple locations becomes more challenging without reliable communication. At Robot Center, our approach involves a structured process to assess and improve your robotics connectivity. We begin with an evaluation of your existing network and communication systems. This helps us identify any gaps or areas for improvement. We then conduct diagnostic tests to measure network performance, latency, and disruptions, such as signal interference. Once we've identified the issues, we provide tailored recommendations for improvement. This could include upgrading your network infrastructure, enhancing wireless communication, or integrating better data exchange systems to enable seamless communication between robots and other business systems. The benefits of robotics connectivity assessment include improved performance. Optimized connectivity helps robots perform more efficiently and reliably. Seamless integration. Robots can easily communicate with systems such as ERP and warehouse management systems. Real-time data flow. Smooth data exchange allows better decision-making and operational visibility. Scalability. A robust connectivity infrastructure supports future growth and expansion of robotics systems. We offer robotics connectivity assessments across various sectors, including manufacturing, logistics, retail, healthcare, hospitality, and facilities management. Each industry has unique needs, and we tailor our solutions accordingly to ensure optimal connectivity for your robotic systems. At Robot Center, we combine technical expertise with industry knowledge to optimize your robotics connectivity and ensure your systems are always performing at their best. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your robotics systems, get in touch with Robot Center for a robotics connectivity assessment today.